We plan to be an international banking group, an important international player in the region. And, but before that, we had a North Star target several years ago to have, by the end of 2023, 10 million users. And we are around 8 million now. So we first have to close that one and then move to the new one. But definitely, I mean, what I can say for sure is that after 10 years, TBC will be an international banking. Challenge is the transformation, you know, I mean, when you are a local, successful, big local bank, and you want to become an international banking or financial services group, then you have to change many things. How you're organized, what kind of people you have, you know, language you speak within your company, you know, and culture, how you manage culture. International expansion is important because we live in a country which naturally is limited to 3.78 million population. So we can do everything, but we cannot serve every single person in this country, right? So that's why, I mean, our growth is somehow limited to the growth of the market. Firstly, it's for us, we are a Georgian company created right after the fall of Soviet Union in 1992. And basically we were a startup then, and ever since we've been growing, I mean, fantastically over the last 30 years almost. 2022 is basically the year where we're going to become 30 years old, 17th of December. So we are very proud of it. We've been growing together with Georgian economy and achieved everything together with the country. We are a very proud, winning team of people who run this great company. And this makes us very happy. We were always around creating opportunities for people and businesses and making people's life easier. And basically, our mission has always been around these two concepts. Initially, we were saying that for us, being in the developing Georgia, the key thing is to contribute to the creation of opportunities for people and businesses through various projects, through financing, you know. We were one of the first fintechs in this country with several of our projects, and we had several of the projects. One of the most well-known is the project Space, which is a neobank in Georgia, and now basically an international neobank because we launched a Space platform into Uzbekistan, right? I mean, our Uzbek bank, TBC Uz, is based on Space platform, which is a creation of Georgian fintech scene basically in 2017-18. And we have approximately now in the three geographies we operate in, we have approximately 50 million total addressable market. And we definitely want to penetrate those markets and increase our customer base. As I said, we want to have 10 million users by the end of 2023. But this cannot stop here. I mean, we will grow the user base further. And for that, we will need to go to other markets. So definitely we will be increasing the total addressable market. And this is the main benefit of international expansion. There are, of course, risks, because when you become an international player, you have to manage not only the risks of one country, but the risks of the region. For instance, now, basically, we see the region is in conflict, right? We see Ukrainian and Russian problem. So there are many banking groups which are in Russia and in Ukraine, and which are not from those two countries. So they have to automatically manage their balance sheet, their operations, their people, P&L, everything, you know, profitability. So complexity grows when you go international, but by this, there is also a matter of diversification too. So you are not dependent on one country only. So there are pluses and minuses, of course. Very glad to be part of the forum which the Financial is organizing, the future of banking. We think it is important to talk about the future of banking. It is important to share ideas with the present audience and discuss, because many ideas exactly are created on these kind of forums. So we are happy to be part of it, and we are happy to support you.